Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for Navodaya schools. First, it's crucial to understand the eligibility criteria. Your child must typically be between 9 and 13 years old and currently studying in the 5th grade at a government or recognized school in the district where the Navodaya Vidyalaya is located. This ensures they meet the fundamental requirements before proceeding with the application process. Make sure to verify these details carefully. Once eligibility is confirmed, the next step is the application process itself. You will need to visit the official Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti website to find and download the application form. Carefully fill in all the required information, ensuring accuracy in every detail. Remember to attach a recent passport-sized photograph of your child and their signature, along with your own. Double-check everything before submission to avoid any errors. Having all the essential documents ready is vital for a smooth application. You will need your child's birth certificate, a residence certificate for the guardian, and a study certificate from their current school confirming they are in the 5th grade. If applicable, prepare caste or disability certificates to avail of reservation benefits. Also, ensure you have a recent passport-sized photograph of your child. Organizing these documents beforehand will save you time and effort. The final stage involves the selection test and result declaration. Your child will need to appear for the Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya selection test, which assesses their abilities in mental ability, arithmetic, and language. Familiarize yourselves with the syllabus and prepare well. Keep an eye on the official website for admit card releases and subsequently the examination results and merit lists. Successful candidates will then proceed with the admission formalities.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.